Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play online casino in Saudi Arabia. So let's start. I'm here on BW Arabia and you can play here the casino. However, for playing this you have to be in there in the country. If you are not in the country, probably you can't do it. So another way to do it is going to install VPN for getting this in your device. How you can do it? So the best one I recommend you is NordVPN. NordVPN is the best VPN service for online service here, and you will find it completely here. And also, if you want to use an NordVPN, you can use our partner link in the description below, and you will get a discount for this one. Plus this, also you will get a warranty money back for 30 days. So if what means if you don't like the service, if you don't like NordVPN, you can get the money back without any problem. So when you do it, guys, and you click on the link below and you register, then let's go to login here. And when you log in here, you can go to write your email address as well as your password. And then let's go to the left side and go to NordVPN. Here let's scroll down and let's go to manual setup. Here in manual setup you will find here the country. This is my country. If I want to change for someone another country, you go to this part and you will find here whatever country that you prefer. Okay, so you can go, for example, Afghanistan here. You can select and you can select a passive VPN here. You can check the VPN that it has. You can select the one that you prefer and then just click here on get setup configuration. In that way you will connect to the VPN from Afghanistan. This is how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.